Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to get just like a simple eye look with like a pop of colour in the inner corners. So if you want to learn how to get that look, then just keep watching. I'm going to start with my foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour matte foundation. I'm going to apply this straight on the back of my hand, about that much. We're going to start blending this up. So I just filled in my brows and now we're going to move on to eyeshadow. So I'm going to use my Inglot palette. I'm going to start with just a light transition colour, this one right here, and just use that on a fluffy brush. So that's the number 285 from Inglot. I'm just going to add this to my crease. Next I'll take this brown right here. I'll leave all the colours that I used down below, but I don't know what they are off by heart because I still need to get my little stickers put on the back. So I'm just taking this and adding it to the crease, just on a new brush. I'm going to use this one right next to it, just a little bit darker. Just put that in the outer V and just like blend it onto the lash line. So I'm going to take this Colourpop brow pencil to do my liner. It's just like a really thin tip eyeliner brow pencil, but I'm going to use it for eyeliner, and it's in Bangin Brunette. I've had this for ages, but I've never used it. It's a little bit drying, but we'll make it work. Just gonna bring this like halfway. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of the brown eyeshadow. Just kind of go over it. Don't worry if you get it like a little bit messy under the wing, because I'm going to clean that up with concealer. I'm just focusing on getting this, like the tail, nice and sharp and precise. So I've got my neutral Inglot palette, and then I've got my colourful palette. So this is my colourful palette. I'm going to go in with this middle shade right here, this really like kind of bright pink. I'm just going to put that on the inner corner and just kind of bring it up and a little bit underneath. I'm just going to take this colour down the bottom, this really nice orange. I'm using my Nars, what is this, Soft Matte Complete Concealer in Custard under my eyes, and I'm going to use this to clean up that wing. So I'm just going to bring it up really close. Just makes your eyeshadow stand out so much more. And it obviously cleans up the wing, makes it look a lot more precise, like you tried really hard when you didn't. Alright, so I'm grabbing my Colourpop concealer in the shade 16, because this one's really bright, so just add a tiny bit to brighten it, because I like that really highlighted look. Alright, let's set the concealer with my Stay Matte powder. And then I'll set everything else with my Australis Fresh and Flawless pressed powder. I love this powder. It's like a really good medium coverage powder. Adds a little bit of coverage but not too much. I'm going to take this Morphe R14 brush. This is my absolute favourite brush to contour and even bronze up the skin with. And did I say I was using my Benefit Hoola bronzer? Of course. I always bring my bronzer up a little bit higher, like as I'm blending it out. Just gives you that really lifted, chiseled cheekbones. You want to take it around the temples, around the forehead. I just made a huge order on Pretty Little Things, so you better look forward to that on my channel, which is going to be coming out really soon because my order is on its way and I have so many things that I bought. So I really want to test them out, get to know the brand, like the quality. I mean, everyone talks about Pretty Little Thing, especially on Instagram, so I feel like I'm missing out. So I'm gonna try them out for you and I'll let you know what I think. I bought a bunch of different things to try out and I'm so excited for them to come. Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso. And I love blush, it's like my favorite thing. I'm going to use my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter and this Morphe highlighting brush. This is the R36. I love this brush. I'm going to apply it to Cupid's bow. Also going to apply a little bit to my brow bone. I've been thinking about getting lash extensions because I keep seeing people like Kylie Jenner and I don't know, I just really want to get them. So I might try them out actually. I'm going to use my Loreal Paradise Ecstatic Mascara. I've been loving this mascara. It's just like really black and it really separates but adds volume at the same time to your lashes. I'm just using that first colour, 285. I know this one off by heart because like we sell this one like the most out of all the eyeshadows, I would say. Kind of extend that wing. So let's add a little bit of depth. I'm just going to mix a couple of those darker browns. So I'm going to add a little bit more of the pink to my inner corner. Lastly, I'll finish off my lips and I'm going to use my Candy K lip liner. I'm going to kind of fill my lips in. I'm using Colourpop Midi Ultra Matte Lip Tint. And then I do want a little bit of a gloss today, so I'm going to use my NYX Buttergloss in Madeleine. Just a little. Just to the center. Oh, these smell so good. And this is the completed makeup look. I actually do like the way it turned out. I wasn't sure at first, but so I hope you really enjoyed this makeup look. Like I said, I will have a Pretty Little Thing haul going up on my channel soon once my package arrives, so don't forget to subscribe. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed and I'll talk to you next time.